Um, Hello, Marjorie. So, for sure, kaya napanood mo itong video na to kasi nakuha mo na yung small present ko sa'yo. Tapos, ayun. So, bali, nandito lang ako para batiin ka ng Happy Valentine's. Kasama ko si Maki ngayon. Siya
Yep.
yung kumukuha ng video. Saka, ayun. So, ang sabihin na na-appreciate ko lahat ng bagay na ginawa mo para sa akin. Yung mga efforts mo, yung mga pagtakas mo, ginawa mo pa akong dahilan para lang makalabas ka. Na-appreciate ko yan. Pero kidding aside, sana matuwa ka sa kantang to. Song's called Crazy For You. Cover siya from Sponge Cola. So hindi siya ganun kaganda for sure kasi pre-practice ko lang siya. Ngayon lang. Basically, so gangbang to. Anyway, so to start, hope you enjoy. Crazy for you. Crazy for you. Trying hard to control my heart. Walked over to where you are. I really need no words at all. Crazy for you. No, it's true. You know I'm crazy for you. It's already new. You know I'm crazy for you. No, it's true. I'm crazy for you. So there you have it, Crazy For You cover from Sponge Cola. So yun. So thank you sa makikinig. So I'll meet you up later. And stay cool and stay happy. And I actually have here a little gift for sure. You've received this wine. So little present. And more to come. Have a great day sa Swag.